Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on today's video. If you are new here, my name is Haley, welcome. Today we are styling the New Balance 990 V5 sneaker. This is my go-to sneaker when I am running out the door for actual runs, and I also love to use these as walking shoes and when I go out to do errands. These are so comfortable and they're also stylish, which is why I am doing this video today. I feel like a new version of this sneaker comes out every few months or so, maybe every year, I don't know. No matter what New Balance sneaker you have in your wardrobe already, whether it's this exact one or a similar pair, I feel like these outfits are versatile enough that they will work with any type of sneaker. So keep that in mind when you are watching. You do not need to go out and buy this exact model if you have one that is similar. And with that being said, let's get started. There you have it, my friends. Those are the 5 different ways that I style my New Balance 990 V5 sneakers. I hope you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, and if you did, as always, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below because I do post every Monday and Thursday. Before we close out this video, I would love to know, do you have this pair of sneakers? Or do you have any other type of New Balance sneaker? I'd love to know which ones you love styling in your own wardrobe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.